Have you ever wished there was a natural way to help manage your cravings without the side effects of prescription medications? Today I want to share something that's been a game changer for many of our patients, and it's called HiPhenolic. This supplement works with your body to support healthy blood pressure, enhance metabolic activity, and help manage your appetite naturally. Hi, I'm Shari Stricker, and I'm the health coach here at Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. As someone who's tried countless supplements myself, I'm only sharing what I truly believe in. By the end of this video, you'll understand what makes HiPhenolic different, how it works in your body, and whether it might be right for you. HiPhenolic is a high concentration blend of plant-based polyphenols. These are powerful compounds found in certain plants known for their health benefits. This isn't a supplement-based weight loss supplement that leaves you jittery. Instead, it combines extracts like hibiscus, lemon verbena, green coffee bean without the caffeine, plus magnesium citrate to support your body's natural metabolic processes. What makes HiPhenolic special is how it works with your body's natural systems. These plant compounds help activate AMPK, sometimes called your body's metabolic master switch, which helps regulate energy balance. They also help naturally balance your hunger hormones, increasing your satiety hormones like GLP-1, while decreasing your hunger hormones like ghrelin. The result? Many people notice they simply don't think about food as much. I experienced this myself. My first day I took it at 2 p.m., I realized I hadn't even thought about lunch yet, something that rarely happens. But I want to be completely honest. This isn't a miracle pill. If your cravings are completely out of control or you're consuming lots of sugar and refined carbs, you might not notice dramatic effects immediately. Where I've seen the best results is with patients who are already making healthier choices with their diet. For them, HiPhenolic provides that extra support to take the edge off cravings and help maintain healthy blood pressure. It's particularly helpful for people wanting cardiovascular support alongside their weight loss goals. Have you tried other supplements for appetite control or metabolic support? I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. HiPhenolic offers a natural approach to supporting healthy blood pressure, enhancing metabolic function, and helping manage weight. Unlike many weight management supplements, it works with your body's natural processes rather than fighting against them. If you're curious whether HiPhenolic might be right for you, I'd be happy to discuss it during your consultation. Call us at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness or visit our website to schedule your appointment. We can look at your full health picture and determine if HiPhenolic makes sense as part of your wellness plan. Remember, sustainable wellness isn't about quick fixes. It's about supporting your body's natural functions and making consistent, healthy choices. I'm Shari Stricker, and I'm here to help you feel like yourself again.